Okay, next vlog natin is fund accounting. So, ito yung tinatawag na government accounting. So, fund accounting by definition, it is an accounting system for recording resources with limited use, no? Ito rin yung accounting system na pinapakita kung sino nag-grant ng authority, sino yung government agency na nag-authorize, kung anong agency yung nag-authorize, or yung nag-authorize is saang agency siya nagtatrabaho, or so ito yung mga appropriations. Ito yung ginagamit sa mga government agency. So ito yung tinasabi nilang public accounting na alam ng mga CPA. Yung mga certified public accountants, linya din nila ito. So, papasalamat tayo at tayo nabigyan ng pagkakataon na malaman man lang yan kahit definition. No? Kung fund accounting o government accounting, it can also be used interchangeably para sa akin. So, yun lang pa.